Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, thank you for clicking. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please give this video a like. So today I'm going to show you how I cooked my meat. I was like, why not steam some meat? Like, why not grill some meat and cook it boil and see how it comes out? Because I've ever tried it in Uganda. I was like, today let me try it in Arab countries. Oh my god, my first time trying it in Arab countries, but it came out so good. It had a nice scent and it was so tasty. Oh my god. Watch till the end and see how it came out.